Is it recording? Okay. Hey YouTube, the eSight guy here, back with another video. A lot of you have asked for this on my channel, what it's like to use eSight around the house. So I decided today to go ahead and make a pizza in the oven. It's a basic, DiGiorno pizza here, as you see here. I am not endorsing DiGiorno while making this product, or this isn't for money. So there's the housekeeping disclaimers out of the way. A lot of you, like I said, have been asking for the ability, or that you want to see me do things with it around the house and do things around the home, basically learn how to cook with it and so forth. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to unbox our pizza here, just like you normally. The oven, note, the oven is already preheated. I did that already to save time and video editing and so forth. So first thing we're going to do, open our box, our pizza here, and pull it out. As you see here, here it is. We're going to need some scissors for this, I would guess. So what we'll do is come over here to the drawer and pull out some scissors, and we will start cutting this carefully, of course, if it'll cut. Seems to be. We'll cut this. Yep, pull it right out. There's the pizza in its frozen state. I'm doing all this using the eSight glasses, and pull this right out of the packaging. Next thing we want to do is set this here for a minute. Pull out my oven mitt, slide it on, grab our pizza, come to the front of the oven here. Let's see. Open the door. Place it right on the center rack, like so. And then we will set our timer on. Let's zoom here. We're gonna go to timer on. We're gonna go to 20 minutes. Hit start. And let it go. So that is how we prepare a pizza with eSight. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks everyone for watching.